Hey guys, welcome back to another adventure at Dad and Brad Adventures. Today we're going to be milling up some pine. You guys just seen me load up one on the mill. We have another one out back there that we got to get loaded up. What we're going to use those for are to set our logs on down here at the log bunk that will go into the mill. We're in the process of, well, I guess we're getting really close to moving the mill inside the shed here, but we needed to get a couple more things milled up because currently we can't get the logs on the mill when the mill's in there until we get this done. So what it's going to happen is we're going to set those two in between, one in between there and another one in between there. We got to cut those off to height yet. We're not sure where that's going to be at, but when we get them cut off, then we'll be able to set them two cants that I'm getting ready to mill out of that pine, and then obviously our mill's going to set in there, and then we'll be able to feed the mill from out here, and we won't ever have to get a tractor or anything inside there. But again, we can't do any of that until we get those cants made, get these cut off to the right height, get them fastened, and then we can get our mill in there, and then we can load ourselves. So I don't know what day it is in November. We're about mid-November right now. Obviously it's snowing, a little chilly out today. I think it's 25 degrees, 26 degrees, something like that. But little snow doesn't stop anything. Got to keep moving. Hope you guys enjoy the show today. Stick around with this adventure. Alright guys, that's it for the day. Stuff's getting too wet for me to do anything, or too wet that I don't want to do anything. Anyway, we got both of our cants made up for our log roll out there. Got some 2x4s made up to go for our purlins around the outside to put our siding on. Like I said, it wasn't a bad day, kind of wet, kind of nasty, but we got it accomplished all the same. Anyway, thanks for watching. God bless.